An anxiety ring is a great tool to help you reduce the effects of anxiety when you feel anxious. It is also known as the spinning ring, the worrying ring, and in some cases the meditation ring. In this video, I will show you how to make a rotating ring. If you have any questions about the rotating ring, feel free to comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. We are manufacturer, supplier, exporter, and trader of stainless steel jewelry. We manufacture and process products according to customer requirements. While developing our product range, we also keep in mind the latest fashion trends in the market. This is the main reason why our products look elegant and attractive. We use quality materials and the creativity of professionals to manufacture our products. On the other hand, we test these products at various levels according to the set industrial quality specifications and parameters to ensure the quality of the products. Additionally, we offer these products at market-leading prices that best meet our customers' needs.